Today I'll show you exactly how to enable Steam two-factor authentication using Steam Guard so you can secure your Steam account and stop unauthorized logins. If you play games on Steam regularly, turning this on is one of the most important security steps you can take. First, open Steam on your computer. Once Steam loads, look to the top left corner and click on Steam. Then choose Settings from the drop-down menu. Inside the Settings window, go to the Security tab. Here, you will see an option called Manage Steam Guard. Click that. After clicking Manage Steam Guard, Steam will show you the available protection methods. The easiest option for most people is to receive Steam Guard codes by email. Select Get Steam Guard codes by email and follow the prompts. Steam will send a verification code to your registered email address. Enter that code to confirm, and Steam Guard will now be enabled on your account. Enabling Steam Guard adds an extra layer of protection because every time someone tries to log into your Steam account from a new device, they will need the special verification code sent to your email or authenticator. Without that code, they cannot access your account even if they know your password. So it is highly recommended for every Steam user. Before you go, if this video helped you enable Steam two-factor authentication, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple gaming and software tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.